VJ Technology's unrivaled expertise and impartiality offers a complete range of resin anchor solutions and market-leading value engineering, and has its own product test laboratory based in Southampton. Plus, VJ Technology can undertake the most complex calculations using the DesignFix anchor design software. The latest addition to VJ Technology's comprehensive resin range is the improved V420 Plus Hybrid, a high-performance hybrid resin that is styrene-free. The V420 Plus has a European technical assessment known as an ETA for use in cracked and non-cracked concrete, as well as the following approvals and ratings: ETA for post-installed rebar connections, NSF approval for potable water, C2 seismic rated, fire rated F120. Extremely versatile, the V420 Plus Hybrid can be used in damp holes and is suitable for use in most base materials. VJ Technology is an associate member of the Construction Fixings Association, and all VJ Technology's engineers are trained under the Construction Fixings Association approved tester scheme, which follows the recommendations of the British standard BS 8539 2012. The VJ Technology Test Laboratory is UCAS accredited for tensile and shear load testing of structural fixings. To optimize the performance of the V420 Plus Hybrid, there are a number of key procedures in the installation that must be adhered to, and the depth and location of the anchor must be in accordance with the manufacturer's specification. It is vital that when drilling, any dust must be evacuated from the hole. This can be assisted using an extraction hood. The hole must also be free of any traces of oil. The resin anchor should be installed in accord with the manufacturer's guidelines, paying particular attention to the method for cleaning the hole. Always be sure to wear the correct PPE when evacuating the hole of dust. The hole should be cleaned with a brush and dust pump. Failure to clean the hole of dust can result in a significant degradation of anchor performance. Once the hole is clean, screw the mixer nozzle onto the cartridge. Then install the cartridge into an appropriate resin gun, and then extrude the resin to waste until it is an even color. Starting from the bottom of the hole, inject the resin until it is at least half full. The anchor should then be inserted fully into the hole using a twisting action, followed by a visual check to ensure that sufficient resin has been used. Curing times are specified by the manufacturer. For this anchor, the resin has cured for over 12 hours. The anchor is now subjected to a pull-out test. The performance characteristics of the new hybrid V420 Plus exceed that of its predecessor, the V420 Plus, offering customers a highly engineered, rigorously tested solution that can be used in a range of substrates, and hence why the original 420 Plus has been the choice for many prestigious contracts. Contact VJ Technology for fast, expert and impartial design support on your next project.